Hello guys! So for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa itong coaster na mayroong mga flowers na edging. So as you can see, meron akong ginawang blue, red, purple, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko, purple, and yellow. Sobrang dali lang niya. If you have been watching my video, meron akong tinuro doon kung paano gawin from round 1 to round 4. So, hindi ko na siya papakita. Ang ipapakita ko right away is kung paano naman gawin ang edging na may flower. So, I hope you watch and stay until the end of this video.
This video is in left-handed version.
So, for this video, ang gagamitin kong hook, yung 3mm. So, ang gagamitin ko ngayong color para sa flower is pink, pero halos magkasing. Kapal lang sila nito. Ayaw munang gumawa ng slip knot. After making a slip knot, mag-chain tayo ng 2. So, we will make double crochet 2 together. So, after chaining 2 into that same stitch, mag-work tayo ng 1 double crochet. And then, we're gonna chain 1 into that same stitch. Gawa tayo ng double crochet pero hindi natin tatapusin. Mag-yarn over tayo and then into that same stitch, maggawa na naman tayo ng another kalahating double crochet. And then, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So, kung mapapansin nyo, under lang sila sa isang chain. So, decreased na stitch siya. And then, we're gonna chain 1. Tapos, we're going to skip 2 stitches. So, dito sa third, double crochet 2 together. Chain 1. And then, into that same stitch, double crochet 2 together. Di ba sa iba, 1 double crochet, chain 1, then 1 double crochet lang. So, ang leaf natin dito, medyo makapal kasi double crochet 2 together ang ginawa natin. And then, we're gonna chain 1. And then, uulitin lang natin yan until we get back around.
Once we get back around, we're going to work a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet, which is yung chain 3. Chain 1, then we will fasten off. We are going to make the tulip next. So, ang gagamitin kong color is yung color pink or hot pink. And then, I'm going to make a slip knot first. Then, insert in between the 2 double crochet 2 together. Yung pinaka-middle. Ito yon. So, I'm going to chain 3, which will count as 1 double crochet. And then, I will work 4 more double crochets all into the same stitch. After natin makagawa ng 5 double crochets including the chain 3, insert natin dun sa top of chain 3 and then slip stitch para maging popcorn stitch. Chain 3 and then into the same stitch we're going to work a slip stitch. We'll repeat this 2 more times para mabuo natin yung tulip. Once done, mag-work tayo ng chain 3, then 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space, tapos uulitin natin yung ginawa natin. So, we're going to chain 3 again and make the tulip dun sa gitna ng bawat double crochet 2 together. So, yun ang magiging repeating pattern natin hanggang sa makabalik tayo. Once done, we're going to work a slip stitch dun sa kung saan tayo nag-work ng 1 double crochet or chain 3, and then chain 1, fasten off, tapos weave na lang natin yung ends after that, and then we're done. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do not forget to hit like, comment down below for your other requests para magawa natin dito sa channel ko. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!